There's something in the chemical composition of the fiber cement that allows it to do this.
There are two things you can do to prevent this from happening to your home.
I've never seen a properly installed Hardie product even come close to doing that.
Improper installation, an inferior product, a recipe for distress.
We came out to this subdivision and the builders had used a competitor of Hardie, which is fiber cement, but it doesn't have the same proprietary ingredients that Hardie does.
Not the first time a home builder tried to cut costs. What did it cost this homeowner?
It's been 7 years since they've constructed these houses, and the siding's been failing for the last 5.
James Hardie siding properly installed is warranted for 30 years. One edge.
Hardie's just a little bit thicker than the competitor's product, which just gives it a little bit more strength.
This could have been avoided if the homeowner followed the clues.
They actually take the time to emboss in each board the manufacturer's name, James Hardie.
If you're looking to save a buck and are willing to sacrifice quality, don't call a Home Show Pro.
We have customers say, well, can you quote it with this different siding and this different siding? And we say no, because we don't have the confidence in that siding product that we do in James Hardie.
Properly installed siding in the hands of qualified installers. That's why I tell you to call Advanced Home Exteriors, one of our Home Show Hardie pros. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.